Now, tomorrow, many of you will know that it is a day where we are going to see or get the insurance registration coming from some of our favorite EV stocks like NIO. And personally, I believe that based on the projections that we've been seeing coming and based on the insurance registrations figures we've been seeing coming, all roads leads to NIO delivering yet another 21,000 deliveries, which therefore tomorrow we could easily see NIO reporting over 5,000 insurance registrations, which will be a pretty good sign or a confirmation once again of what we are going to see come the 1st of August on Thursday when they report their July deliveries. So many of the investors or retail investors are bullish or positive going into the total deliveries for July, which you will know that last year NIO just reported over 20,300, and we could see NIO smashing that delivery number they reported last year this year by delivering over 21,000 deliveries. Which do I believe it is going to come? Absolutely, because the orders that we've been seeing coming from NIO are just stable. So the kind of orders that NIO was receiving around June of an average of 5,000 is the same orders we are seeing NIO receiving this month. So it is for that reason that I believe that even this month we are going to easily see NIO delivering over 21,000 and even smashing the kind of deliveries they reported in June of 2024. So I look forward to tomorrow's insurance registrations. Obviously, I'll be the first or one of the first few people to give you those figures or those numbers as they come. I know to some people they don't want or they prefer the monthly deliveries over insurance registrations, but there are also some people that want or that prefer also getting these insurance registrations or weekly insurance registration figures, which it is for that reason that as I've said before and I'll say it again, I'll continue to give those figures because people are also wanting to know or also want to know exactly the insurance registrations that NIO scope or is scoping on a weekly basis. I mean, to show that this number is quite important. I mean, you will know that Deutsche Bank last week they came out and said that NIO is going to report, or they see NIO reporting around 21,000 deliveries, but their calculation, that 21,000, they based it off from the insurance registrations, which were 13,400 as of total cumulative on the report which was announced last week. So you can see that even the very same approach that we are using as retail investors or as YouTubers, it is the very same approach that, of course, institutions usually are also using these figures as projections to know exactly what it is that the NIO is going to report come the day they report their total monthly deliveries, which is something that is pretty interesting. So I look forward. I think we are easily going to see over 5,000 tomorrow. If we don't get over 5,000, then then it will be becoming tricky for NIO to report over 21,000 deliveries. But if it goes over 5,000, then it's lights out. We are going to see over 21,000 deliveries, which might result into NIO smashing their current existing monthly record of 21,209 vehicles, which is something that we look forward to because that will mean that NIO, third month in a row, they've been smashing their monthly record, which is something that deserves rewards from the market, though the market is not willing to give that to us. Otherwise, NIO, as I'm doing this video, it's still on the red with the good news that we've been seeing coming from record-breaking deliveries, insurance registrations becoming good, orders also coming in good numbers, but the market, for some reason, it decides to not reward NIO. I mean, NIO on Saturday, we saw it announcing quite a number of breakthroughs, but still with those breakthroughs, as we discussed in the previous video, we are not seeing the market. The market just don't want to reward NIO, which is something that is not good. But I think as an investor, I will remain long. I remain long and strong on the NIO stock because I believe that one way or the other, the market will have to reward this stock. So I'm bullish, long and strong. This low trading price, I'll just use them as opportunities to probably scoop more when I have funds to do so, because I believe that this is a long-term winner. NIO, it is a stock that those that are not taking these low prices as opportunities to scoop more, these are definitely going to reward in the future. And of course, these are my opinions. I'm not saying it will be like this, and I'm not saying go and buy NEO. You still need to do your own due diligence and make your own decision, because that is your money. So what are your predictions for tomorrow's insurance registrations and your also monthly deliveries for July? I'm saying we're going to see over 21,000 deliveries, and tomorrow we'll see over 5,000 insurance registrations, which tomorrow, especially if we get that over 5,000, then it is a good sign going into Thursday, when you will be giving us their July deliveries. So do your own DD before you buy NEO for the very first time, because this stock, like I said, it can be quite volatile, and therefore you need to obviously do some due diligence so that at least you are comfortable in a way that you take these low trading prices opportunities to scope more shares. Otherwise, that's all from me, and I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey, and God bless you all.